Installing a rear view camera in a Honda Fit or Jazz. Plug the rear camera into the front dashcam body. I start off by feeding the cable the same route as I did before with the power cable in my other video, but after the A-pillar I feed the cable in between the headliner and the door seal. For those of you with side airbags, I'd avoid the high route I'm using and follow the same route as the power cable, and then continue below between the floor lining and the door seals. Back to my install, which is fairly easy going for the majority of the route down the side. The first difficult part is at the rear of the C-pillar, where I pull the cover slightly and pass the cable under the head lining and out into the rubber cable protector using a cable guide. Feeding the cable through this rubber protector was the longest part of the install, as the space was super limited. Once out, I passed the cable through the hatch lid using a cable guide to feed the cable on forth to the left side grommet hole. I could have gone into the midpoint of the hatch and drilled a new hole, but I preferred to keep the car in its original state. Now to put the cable protector back into the two holes. Here I am storing the excess cable in the rear of the headliner. Now to drill a small hole in the grommet for the cable to pass through. Feed the camera side of the cable through the grommet and lock the connectors together. To protect the connectors from humidity or from coming apart, I'm wrapping self-amalgamating tape around the joint. Hide any excess cable and put the grommet in its place. Remove the support sticky pad cover and firmly push in place where the camera will have a clear rear view. A quick test out on the road and all looks good. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.